Night, we're almost to the weekend, and it was a very humid Thursday.
It's like you step outside and you took a shower.
Yeah, basically, yeah. It's muggy out there. You can feel the humidity. It's what we call air you can wear, and the humidity is up. That is. The temperatures are near 70 right now. Not much is going to change in the overnight, but changes are on the way, especially for the weekend. But first, let's show you what's going on outside on this Thursday night with Chopper 5 in the air over the University of the Incarnate Word, UIW. Birds up, my alma mater, graduated there in 2017. You can see the beautiful shot of UIW with all the lights. They call it Light the Way, and they light up these lights in the end of November and keep it all the way through early January. Just a beautiful shot on this Thursday night. All right, let's take another look at one of our cameras, especially at the airport. You can see mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures, again, 70s right now, 75 in Stinson, 72 at the airport, so not much cooler, right? Now, because of so much humidity in the air and the southeast winds cranking in more humidity, hour by hour at 14 miles an hour, that is why we have the potential for some patchy fog overnight and just very warm overnight temperatures. So 72 in San Antonio, we'll bottom out around 65 when it's all said and done. But notice the gradient, the contrast between temperatures across the Lone Star State. You can see 52 in Midland, 40 in Amarillo. It's all thanks to a frontal boundary that has now stalled out across central Texas, and it has pumped its brakes. So this one is not going to head towards us, unfortunately, but there is another one on the way that'll arrive on Saturday morning. In the meantime, it's warm out there, 72 in San Antonio, upper 60s across the hill country, 68 matter of fact in Fredericksburg, 73 in Gonzales, east of 35, and mostly 70s south of San Antonio. Now, what helped today was a nice breeze, and right now we're moving at about 26 miles an hour. And again, those are wind gusts. Max wind speeds sustained were around 15 to 25 miles an hour, which is driving in so much moisture. You can see so much green on the map right now. Not so much in West Texas and near Valverde County and near the Rio Grande, but in our area filled with a lot of green and a lot of humidity, which is why overnight temperatures stay on the warm side, lower 70s. Maybe if we're lucky, we eclipse the upper 60s tomorrow morning, but I do think we stay on the tropical side into early Friday. And temperatures go up from there. Look at this, high near 80, mostly cloudy, only a 10% chance at an outside shower, and that's mainly in the morning. More of the widespread rain east of Texas, but back here at home, where there were a few showers that tried to survive a trip up I-37 and near Highway 90, but now it is mostly cloudy out there. Now let's chat about the long-range forecast. Saturday is what we're focusing in on for the good, much-needed heavy rain here in the area. And we'll time it out for you. Overnight tonight, some patchy fog, maybe a stray shower tomorrow morning if you're getting on your commute, especially if you're on I-35 tomorrow morning around 7:30 in the morning. Tomorrow afternoon, basically a repeat. Highs near 80, mostly cloudy, very humid. Tomorrow night, quiet. If you have Friday night plans, it looks A-OK. But Saturday morning, 8, 9, and 10 a.m., here comes a cold front, destabilizes the atmosphere, and what that will do is ignite some scattered downpours, heavy at times, Saturday morning until the early afternoon. The rain coverage should back off Saturday night into Sunday as well. Now, in terms of how much rain are we looking at? We're not looking at the potential for heavy rain, or at least flood-provoking rain, but around 1 to 2 inches of rain will be possible around Bexar County and around the San Antonio area. 7-day forecast, 81 tomorrow, middle to lower 50s on the weekend. Looks very cold Saturday and Sunday. 80% chance at some good, much-needed rain for the first half. Not so much the second half. Sunday looks okay with just a lingering scattered shower with highs near 53. Morning low on Monday, 40. High near 57 on Monday afternoon, and near 60 and 70 by Tuesday and Wednesday.